And where are we heading this time, buddy?
Tin Can Bay.
Tin Can Bay. And what are we going to be doing there?
Feed some dolphins.
Feed some dolphins. What else?
Go on a boat.
Go on the boat. Yep, you can see in the back there. Catch some fish. What else are we going to put out? Catch some
crabs.
Crabs. Yeah, we got some crab pots. We're going to put some crab pots out. Oh, should we go and have some fun then?
Yeah.
Want to punch it? We're off. Mum's getting out the cheese and crackers. Let's feed the kids. For you kids. You just want to say anything?
We got you holidays. We want you holidays.
I love you holidays too. Anything over working for the day, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Not working, that's right.
Righto, well I may as well just show you real quickly through the caravan and the inside. It's usually never very clean or organised, but this morning it's not too bad, so I'll show you through. It's pretty simple. Come in. Up the front end there's a queen bed for 2 people to sleep in. On this side got stove top, grill, cupboards. I keep all the food there, fridge, sink for washing up. All the controls are down here, pumps, tanks. This is the dining table, but it's currently folded down into a lounge area. We just like to eat outside, so we just relax on there. We've got some a TV here, some more storage here for the plates and stuff like that. Got tubs here for all of the clothes, so everyone's got a tub each for all their clothes. Bit of storage for knickknacks, and the back bed is a double, so it sleeps well. Yeah, love it. As you can see, nice and open. You can open up pretty much the windows on all sides. I'll show you these. Got these cool fans, so to light, or it's a fan, and they run off 12 volts, so we can have those going if we don't have power as well, which is brilliant. That's about it. When we come outside, we always eat at this table here. Hey kids, wave, say hello. Yeah, watching Octonauts. That's it. Got the Weber Barbie. The old man made me a cool stand that goes, has it off the ground so it doesn't need its own table. That's it. That's the old Jayco Hawk. It's a 2016 model. We've had it for about 2 years now. Can't fault it, it's pretty good. Right, I've just come down to a secret crabbing spot here, and I've just parked up the car. I've got 4 crab pots to go in. Gonna put them in overnight. We've got the pillies in there. I'm gonna take them down to the boat and chuck them in the water. See if we can get some crabs, pick them up in the morning. first time. They've been in for almost 24 hours, so we're going to go check them. There's been a high tide since, so let's hope for some crab. A couple of the tiniest little crabs. We'll chuck these ones out, we'll get them out. Oh dear. He's been in better shape, that guy. See ya. Unsuccessful on the crab front. I got a couple of theories. I can use the excuse that most people use if you don't catch crabs, that someone's come and checked my pots through the night, which is probably likely, or they're just not on the run, or I haven't got them in the right spots. But oh well, better luck next time, hey? If you know where the crabs are in Tin Can Bay, leave a comment, tell me where the bloody mud crabs are.
This is good scooter territory.
We're gonna go chuck the cast net in, see if we can get some bait to catch a fish, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We need a crab or a fish.
We need a crab or a fish to save it. Let's do it. No, they're not spiky. They're two little mullets. They're going to be good for bait. Put them in here, kids. Good job. There we go. How good's that? It's the old Yamaha bloody outboard as a letterbox. That's the first one that I've ever seen. That's brilliant. All right, well, for the first time ever, we've actually woken the kids up this morning to go dolphin feeding, haven't we? Because even though it's at 8, we got told come at 6:30 or you'll miss out. So here we are, Mum's over in line. Should we go see if we can feed a dolphin?
Yeah.
What do you reckon the dolphin's gonna say? Thanks for my fish. All right, see you over there. Say bye. Oh, little Sammy's super excited. You had to get woken up, didn't you, darling? Come on, let's go. Does anyone think there might be a baby dolphin? All right, well, let's go see what it's about.
It's a more baby dolphin.
All right, let's go.
My baby dolphin.
You're a baby dolphin?
Yeah.
Are you?
Mommy dolphin.
You got a mummy dolphin?
Oh, a daddy dolphin.
Am I the daddy dolphin?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get it.
And I'll take
He's hungry, look.
Oh, look at that. That was fast. He has a thing against catch, our other male dolphin. And they're young, they don't have time for all that. The boys do love to show off.
Oh.
He's got a little leaf.
Yeah, and like he's a little male, so he's already started. I just love seeing.
Well, look, we missed out on feeding the dolphins by about 20 people. Only one dolphin came in out of the 6 that usually come in, and they only feed each dolphin about 40 fish. So cost us $15, and we got to go down on the beach and at least see the dolphins play. What are we going to do? Pump some yabbies, let's do it. Good girl, chuck them in the bucket. Just look. So there you go. Nice little yabby. One of the best baits I reckon you can use in the river. All right, bacon and egg breakfast. Here we go. What is it? Sunday bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs is every day we're on my holidays. What's that?
Mine.
Can I cut yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll cut yours. All right, Willow and I have come down fishing. It's Sunday afternoon. And does it look like there's any fish here, bud?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. All right, we've got a couple of yabbies that we caught earlier on. And look at it. How could there not be any fish? Anyway, let's go chuck one out and see how we go. Here we go. Hey, look at that one.
Dinner, Dad.
Hey, come here.
Dinner.
Dinner? What do you reckon?
Oh my God.
What do you reckon? Alright, so everyone that's telling me that the fish isn't big enough and it's not legal, the legal size of whiting is 23 in Queensland, isn't it, Willow?
Yeah.
Well, how long do you reckon he is? Let's have a look. Tail on the end there.
Oh, I can see
Tail
his
on the end there.
lips.
He's a solid 27. So usually I'd probably throw this back because it's one, but Willow loves eating fish off the Weber, so should we clean him up and cook him? Or I'll show you how to clean him up super quick. I'm going to give you to Willow, she's going to be the camera girl.
Yeah.
Rightio, look through the screen, darling.
Oh my God, we're not going to.
Can you look through the screen? Can you see it, darling?
Yeah.
Sure?
Sure.
Rightio. So, scale him up. Just move the camera back a little bit. Scales off.
It's much better on a camera, okay? So.
That's alright. You want to get all those scales off if you're eating it whole. You don't want those on there.
Yeah.
Alright,
we do not eat we don't
eat the scales. No.
Yeah.
No. So he's pretty good. Now watch this one, Willow. Put the camera on it. Can you see through the screen, bud?
Yep.
Alright, in here. And then up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Out the top. And then we just pull out all of these guts.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm losing it because I do not like it.
You're losing it. Alright, and then we just give them a bit of a wash.
Oh yeah. Yeah, did it be all wash.
Alright,
Yeah.
point it back this way. That's him. Put it up at me. Ready to go on the barbecue. Perfect. Alright, bud, let's go. We're going to cook up that whiting, super easy. Just on the barbecue. No fuss. Willow wants to eat this one. A little bit of self-raising or plain flour, it doesn't really matter. Just like that. On his head. Make sure you get his tail too so it's nice and crispy when you fry it. Bit of oil. Bang him on like that. Should probably only take about 3 minutes, 4 minutes on each side and it'll be done. Rightio, that's been 3 minutes, so we'll give him a little flippy. Oh yeah. Righto, 3 minutes on that side. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful and done. A bit of fish, some chips. You happy about it?
Like this.
Give me a thumbs up, bud. Here's to catching and eating, hey? Once you finish one side, Willow, show you the little trick. You grab this one here and you pull this up. Boom. Look at that.
Oh.
That's how you do it. but it's Monday morning and we're all packed up. The car's connected to the trailer and we're just smashing a bit of mango for breakfast, have a swim, and we're on the road home. Hour and a half home. So thanks for watching. Give it a like, subscribe, ask us a question in the comments, whatever you like, and we'll see you in the next video. Radio.
This mango is delicious.
Yep, mango, Queensland, holidays. What more could you want, bud?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. See ya.